everyone, this is Josie, my daughter, and today we are going to make ooblek and show you how so that you can do this at home if you're bored. So the first thing you're going to need is cornstarch, and you can get cornstarch at Wegmans. It's about $1. And what you're going to do is I'm going to cut it because it can be kind of messy. You're going to fill up about a cup or so of cornstarch. You're going to put it in a bowl. Okay, shake that in. And then what you're going to want to do is put in a little bit of water. Go ahead, Josie, pour in a little bit of water. Maybe a little more. So she's pouring in about a half a cup of water right now, and then she's going to stir it with a spoon just to wet it. And if it's too hard, she's going to add a little more water. You don't want any powder, but you also don't want it to be a liquid like milk, or it won't work. Okay, so pour in a little bit more. Stir. Keep pouring. Okay. Let's see. So far, she's poured about 3/4 of a cup of water. Do you want to? And it's a little hard to stir just because of the consistency of it, which is what makes it so fun to play with. So I'm going to say about 3/4 cup of water does it. Now what you're going to do is get your hands in there and play with it. And the cool thing about ooblek is it's a solid and a liquid at the same time. So it feels hard, but then it melts in your hands, which is kind of cool. The other good thing about it is it can be messy, but it washes really easily, and a lot of times it just dries back into a powder and you can brush it away. So if you want, you can add a little bit of color to it. We'll add a little blue. Drop that in there and mix it up. And I guess that's it. Very simple recipe. 1 cup of cornstarch, about a half a cup to 3/4 cup of water. And then you're just going to get your hands in there and try to pick it up. Let's give them one more demonstration. And watch it melt. All right, guys, have a great weekend. Thank you.